Rumors surrounding DJI's potential entry into the 360-degree camera market have been circulating since October last year, but now things are heating up. Fresh leaks have recently surfaced, hinting that DJI's long-anticipated 360 camera, apparently called the DJI OSMO 360, could be arriving in July 2025. The OSMO 360 seems to be positioned as a direct competitor to the Insta360 X5, and based on what we've seen and heard so far, DJI is aiming high. Recent leaked images from reliable tipsters, such as at Gadamer and at Quadro News, have given us our first look at the possible design of the OSMO 360. The photos appear to show the device in its packaging, revealing a clean and compact form factor. Notably, the device features dual lenses, one on the front and one on the back, essential for seamless 360-degree video capture. There's also a small integrated touchscreen that appears to sit between the lenses, making it easier to operate and preview shots on the go. Another noticeable feature is what seems to be an accessory mount, possibly for tripods, selfie sticks, or even DJI's own stabilizers. From what we can gather, the OSMO 360 looks sleek and portable, clearly aimed at vloggers, adventurers, and content creators looking for a powerful yet pocketable 360-degree camera. According to leaks, particularly those from at Gadamer via Notebook Check, the OSMO 360 may come with specifications similar to those found in the Insta360 X5, which was launched in April. That means we could be looking at 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, a major leap in visual fidelity for immersive video content. The sensor is rumored to be around 1/1.28 inches in size, which is fairly substantial for a 360 camera. This sensor size, combined with a possible 72-megapixel photo mode, indicates that the OSMO 360 is geared toward high-resolution output for both stills and video. If these rumors are true, DJI's first attempt at a 360 cam could easily compete with the best in the market. One area where the DJI OSMO 360 may fall short of the Insta360 X5 is battery life. Sources suggest that the battery inside the OSMO 360 might be smaller than the one used in the X5. While this could raise concerns about usage time, it's also possible that DJI is opting for a more compact design that sacrifices some battery capacity for portability. DJI has a solid reputation for optimizing battery performance across its drone and camera products, so it remains to be seen whether the smaller battery will significantly impact performance. Hopefully, the final version will include some fast charging capabilities or swappable batteries to keep things running longer when needed. From the leaked photos, the OSMO 360 is expected to include a small touchscreen interface. This screen will likely allow users to change shooting modes, check framing, and access basic settings quickly. Although it's not expected to be large, even a compact display can make a big difference when shooting in unpredictable environments. If DJI carries over its intuitive menu systems from other OSMO products, users can probably expect a straightforward and responsive touch interface that makes capturing 360 content simple and efficient. Another interesting detail seen in the leaks is what looks like a dedicated accessory mount. This could open up a world of possibilities for creators. Whether it's attaching the camera to a drone, using it with a gimbal, or mounting it on a helmet for action shots, the OSMO 360 seems to be designed with versatility in mind. DJI may also introduce proprietary accessories that expand the camera's functionality, such as underwater housings, lens protectors, or external microphones. While detailed specs have not yet been confirmed, The assumption that the OSMO 360 will match the Insta360 X5 suggests a host of advanced features. Besides 8K 30 FPS video and high-resolution photography, we can likely expect impressive image stabilization, something DJI is well known for. The camera may also include AI-driven editing tools, real-time horizon leveling, and dynamic time-lapse options. If DJI integrates features like flow state stabilization or automatic reframing similar to competitors, the OSMO 360 could become a go-to choice for creators who want smooth, ready-to-share footage with minimal post-processing. It's very likely that the DJI OSMO 360 will be compatible with the DJI Mimo app or a similar new app tailored specifically for 360-degree content. Through the app, users would likely be able to preview footage, transfer files, apply quick edits, and upload directly to social media platforms. Connectivity options might include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, with USB-C for fast data transfer and charging. DJI may also support cloud backups or editing workflows through their ecosystem, making content creation more seamless. Although we don't yet have an official launch date from DJI, some sources suggest that the OSMO 360 will be officially released in July 2025. Given the increasing volume of leaks and the appearance of packaging photos, this timeframe seems plausible. DJI has a habit of keeping product details under wraps until just before launch, so more official news could drop any day now. There's still no concrete information regarding pricing, but considering the OSMO 360 is being compared directly to the Insta360 X5, we can expect it to be priced in a similar range. The Insta360 X5 retails at around $499 to $599 USD, depending on the bundle. If DJI follows suit, the OSMO 360 could land in the $500 to $600 bracket. However, DJI may introduce competitive pricing to entice users away from Insta360's established lineup. They might even offer different packages, including starter kits or creator bundles, to cater to a wider range of users. While we're still waiting for official confirmation from DJI, the leaks and rumors surrounding the OSMO 360 paint a promising picture. With a potential 8K video resolution, 72-megapixel photos, a compact dual-lens design, and DJI's reputation for high-quality imaging and stabilization, the OSMO 360 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the 360-degree camera space. If it launches at a competitive price point and delivers on battery life, usability, and performance, DJI could have another hit on its hands. Until DJI makes things official, all we can do is wait and watch. But if the July 2025 launch timeline holds true, the wait won't be much longer. For creators eager to dive into the world of 360 content or those looking to upgrade from older models, the DJI OSMO 360 could be the game changer they've been waiting for.